Hello. Today we are going to draw some shapes. Are you ready? Let's go. Heart. Triangle. Circle. Hexagon. Star. Wow, these shapes are looking so beautiful. Let's color these shapes. Are you ready? Let's go. Now we will see what colors do we have. Indigo, dark green, brown, black, parrot green, purple, blue, red, sky blue, pink, orange, and yellow. Let's go. Blue color. Red color. Green color. Orange color. Purple color. Yellow color. Rhombus, heart, triangle, circle, hexagon, star. Wow, these shapes are looking so beautiful.
Yay!
Now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. Stay tuned for our next video. Till then, bye.